Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Ishraq's Art and Craft Studio, and it's me Ishraq. So today I will show you a beautiful black and white abstract painting. I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's begin. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also hit the notification bell to get all notification of my upcoming videos, and follow my Facebook page Ishraq Art and Craft Studio. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.